Survey apps. I think we've all heard of them. Answer a few questions, get paid a little bit. Seems easy enough. But are they worth it? Short answer, probably not. But long answer? Shoo. Welcome back to the Financial Beanstalk. My name is Nick, and today we're talking about, you guessed it, survey apps. I've been consistently taking surveys on these apps for about a year and a half now because I saw a Reddit thread about a year and a half ago that listed some of the top survey apps available according to this one user. So I thought, I'll check them out and see how much I can actually make taking these. I did SWAGBUCKS a long time ago, which I feel like is the original survey app, but eventually I just kind of got sick of taking the time to do anything on their website, and they really went down the drain with how long it took to gather enough points to actually get a payout, so I gave up the survey life. Maybe if I didn't, I would already be retired by now. They're all pretty much the same though. You're getting paid pennies, maybe $1 if you're lucky for your time, and in my experience, a lot of these survey companies just straight up suck. You'll be answering a bunch of questions for 15 to 20 minutes, it'll seem like you're getting towards the end, and then all of a sudden it'll kick you out, say you're disqualified, and not actually pay you what it originally said it was going to pay you, even though they have all of your answers still. I don't know if it's intentional on the survey company's side, but it happens more consistent than I think it should, so I feel like they might be doing something a little shady. Lucky for you, I've found that sweet spot and found a few good apps that are actually worth it. Kind of. Breaking those down, I looked back at July 2020, when I actually started taking these surveys pretty consistently, to July 2021, just to get a full year time frame, which I feel like is a good sample size, so you can get an idea of what you might be able to make with these survey apps. Now the payouts do vary, but the majority of them either pay out in Amazon gift cards or just deposit money into your PayPal account. So first up, we've got Google Opinion Rewards. I made $12.58 in PayPal. The next one is an app called Perksy. I got a $25 Walmart gift card and a $25 Amazon gift card. Next up, we've got SurveyMonkey. I got $80 in Amazon gift cards from them. The next one is an app called ONEPULSE. I made $140 from them, and they just deposited money into my PayPal account. The next one, I still have SWAGBUCKS downloaded on my phone, but I didn't use them at all because I still kind of hate them. So a big old 0 from SWAGBUCKS this year. The next is called QMEE. I made $23.45 in PayPal from them. The next one is called Surveys on the Go. I made $268.60 from them. This is by far the best one, and I'll let you know why towards the end of this video. And then lastly, we've got an app called Eureka, which I think is the worst one out there because I got locked out of my account right when I was about to cash out, and now their support staff is completely ignoring every email I send to them. So I kind of have a vendetta against them now, and if you want to do me a favor, go leave them a 1-star review in the App Store. So in total, I've made $574.63 from July 2020 to July 2021 on these survey apps. Honestly, a pretty decent chunk of change. At the same time, I'm kind of sick of doing these surveys, and I feel like my time could be better spent elsewhere versus picking up $1 here, $1 there. But as you could see, the amount of money I earned was pretty skewed towards 2 apps, ONEPULSE and Surveys on the Go. ONEPULSE is probably my favorite survey app because you don't have to answer those stupid demographic questions every single time, and they have a pretty unique structure that's different than all the other survey apps that are out there. Most importantly, each survey only takes a couple minutes at the most, so it's super quick and easy to earn with them. Surveys on the Go has the same old regular surveys, but the nice thing about them is even if you get disqualified from one, they still pay you 10 cents for your time. So you're still able to build a balance and get up to that cash out amount pretty consistently. The third app that I would actually recommend and say is worthwhile is SurveyMonkey Rewards, mostly just because the surveys are super quick and it's pretty easy to get up to that payout amount. I would also recommend turning on push notifications for these. That way you're notified when surveys are available, because sometimes they do come few and far between. So the more you're notified of them, the more you know they're available, the faster you're able to get up to that cash out amount. Because once they receive a certain number of replies, you can't answer that survey anymore and earn anything. And again, each survey app varies as far as how you get paid, the minimum amount you need to earn before you get paid, and all that fun stuff. But hey, I'll take an extra $500 a year for a few minutes of my time here and there, because what I've done with this money is put it into crypto and some of my riskier stock plays. It's basically like playing with free money, right?
It's free real estate.
Also, I'm not saying you can fly through these surveys and don't have to fully pay attention, but if you at least kind of pay attention, they'll throw in these qualifying questions like, please select this answer so we know you are paying attention. So if you're doing that, you can get through these surveys pretty quick. Based on how much these companies are probably getting paid to conduct the survey versus how much they're paying out, I don't really think they value your time, so why should we value theirs? I'll let you draw your own conclusions on that one. I'm not gonna bore you with the nitty-gritty details of all the apps that I'm currently using, but I will leave a link in the description below to download those if you want to give them a try and possibly start earning some side income. I don't think I get any sort of referral bonus for referring people, so just go ahead and download them and enjoy. If you do have any questions about any of the apps that I mentioned, want a more thorough breakdown of them, or know of another survey app that I'm not currently using, let me know in the comment section below. Then go ahead and YouTube mumbo jumbo that subscribe button, that like button, and that bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. I truly appreciate you watching, and let's continue to grow this beanstalk. Also, don't forget to leave a 1-star review for Eureka.